In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write user stories in Jira. We'll walk through the simple process of creating a story inside Jira and making sure the key details are filled in clearly. A well-written user story helps your team understand what needs to be built, why it matters, and what information is needed before work begins. To get started, open your Jira project and go to the area where you want to create the item. From there, click on Create. This opens the issue creation window, which is where you'll enter all the details for your new user story. Once the Create window appears, click on Work Type. This is the field that lets you choose what kind of issue you want to rate. Since we're writing a user story, select Story from the list. Choosing the correct work type is important because it keeps your backlog organized and makes it easier for your team to track the right kind of work. Next, enter the summary. The summary should be short, specific, and easy to scan. Think of it as the title of the story. It should quickly tell your team what the story is about without needing to open it first. Try to keep it focused on the core need or feature. After that, move down to the description field and enter the details of the story. This is where you give more context, so the team understands the goal. When writing the description, be as clear as possible. Use simple language that explains the user needed and the expected outcome. The description is often the difference between a story that is easy to work on and one that creates confusion later. Once the summary and description are complete, fill in the other fields that apply to your workflow. Depending on your Jira setup, this could include things like priority, assignee, labels, epic link, sprint, or any custom fields your team uses. These extra fields help with planning, reporting, and making sure the story ends up in the right place. If you're unsure about a field, it's a good idea to follow your team's conventions so everything stays consistent. When everything looks good, click on Create to save the story. Jira will then add it to your project and it will be ready for review, prioritization, or development. That's it. By selecting the story work type, writing a clear summary, adding a useful description, and completing the remaining fields, you can create user stories in Jira that are much easier for your team to understand and act on.